Hey everyone, my name is Alif. I'm going to be recording my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S24. So in the box already, it just shows us what's included as the phone, a USB cable, and a quick start guide. It doesn't come with the power brick anymore. Alright, so we're gonna have to first start from the tab in the bottom. Oh, the top. Let's just get that out the way. Just gonna hold it. So first here we get our, I think this is our user guide. Coming from an iPhone, I'm not really used to this type of experience, but I like it. It looks very premium. Not gonna lie, it looks beautiful. Like, just look at that phone itself. If you can only see it in person, my gosh. Okay, yeah, so we got the SIM tool over here. Got like a little guide. I don't know who reads this. I'm just joking. Has a USB-C cable. This will be very handy, of course. And then we have the main star of the show, the Samsung Galaxy S24. Holy crap. It is so beautiful. Just, yeah, oh my god. If only you could see it in person. It's so premium. Like, I'm scared to even just hold it, but let's do the satisfying pull. I just want to see this. Oh yeah, there you go. Let's unbox it. Let's turn it on. Oh, does it still have power? Please have power. There you go. Samsung. This is such a beautiful phone. 3 cameras on the back. Alright guys, so that concludes my unboxing of the S24. If you guys would want to see a review maybe, or another video, potentially. I also have my other phone over here, a Samsung A10. So you can just imagine how much of an upgrade this one is from this one. So this is my other Android phone that I had. So yeah, we're gonna press start. Let's agree to everything. Agree. Alright, well, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Have a good day, guys.